tracing shapes. Tracing shapes and lines for kids. Trace shapes and lines. Trace and connect the dots. Perform the activities by tracing and forming shapes. Hi parents! Does your child love to draw and scribble? With tracing shapes and lines for kids, they'll learn to trace straight lines, curves, circles, triangles, and connect dots to form fun shapes. It's the perfect way to build hand control and confidence before moving on to letters. If you want your little one to practice at home, get this book through the link right below in the description. Let's make learning fun!